Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 880 plus CDR banners. CDR, that's mean a Corel Draw templates, and these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and by now for lifetime iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so I open any file, for example, and this one open in Corel Draw. First unlock, you see here you can change anything or you can change any color. For example, uh, I replace image here, your image is here. Okay, now we need an image. For example, here is sale trend. Okay, this one. Okay, now go to object, click on power clip, place inside frame. Here you see our image is here. Now go to object, power clip, and edit power clip. Okay, here is best. Oh, sorry. Finish. And your image is sorry, text is here. Color option you can change, depend your own choice. Okay, same thing here. Okay, now no import any other files. For example, like this one, unlock layer, and now you need image or change any color or write anything. For example, now we need again a photo, this one. Okay, go to object, here our image is here. Okay, finish here. Same thing here, write anything, move anywhere. Okay, you see total file is 880 plus. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.